Welcome to Living Whole Life, a collection of our perspectives, travel life, and passion projects. I'm Sarah, travel nurse, board-certified holistic health practitioner, and creator of Living Whole. This is my husband, Kevin, artist, painter, professor, and this is Fitz. This is us, living art, living health, documenting and sharing our life, leisure, and living whole. There is no grand edit of us moving in. We moved in the freezing rain as quickly as we could. So that's all our stuff. That's our whole life right now.
The floor in piles.
In piles. The next step is for us to sort this chaotic mess and to figure out the Grubhub situation because we were both starving from the stressful drive in. As I organize the kitchen, Kevin gets started prepping Black Plastic Studio. Packing for this journey was a little bit different than prior travels. We utilized these vacuum sealed bags, which really saved us. We experienced 3 days of rain, but as you can see, I was able to pack the spaces in between with miscellaneous kitchen stuff, my silicone bakeware. But with the rain that we experienced, our suitcases did get a little bit wet, even with sealing them with a black waterproof duct tape. However, this was far better than prior driving rain experience. How'd you sleep?
I hurt. All over.
The fun part is furniture delivery and cable setup today.
In a bed.
Yeah.
Can you explain why we're in this predicament?
We at least have our mattress topper, but with it being the new year and everything, they couldn't deliver furniture on the day that we arrived, so they're able to deliver it this morning. And sometimes.
This is roughing it.
So I coordinated Cort furniture, we have Cox cable coming this morning, and we brought most of our housewares. So we'll be tucked in by noon today, but this is just a part of it.
Single life. Bachelor life.
Bachelor life. I don't know what kind of bachelor life you were living. Good morning. This is the first chat of 2020. We just woke up. As you can, I hope the audio is okay in here. It's a new apartment. It is a new year. It is my birthday. We had an excellent evening last night. Our furniture was delivered. We got all tucked in and settled. Had a little charcuterie plate of plant-based goodness. So what are we doing here? If you guys have been following Living Whole, you know that we have spent the last year at home. I opened my office, I closed my office, and now we are traveling again for a lot of reasons. So out of that decision to close my office, this whole Living Whole Life was born. Both Kevin and I are going to be sharing a little bit more of our perspective, our goals, what we do, how we do it, and really the living whole life, which is our whole life. And I think it's even more important to share this now because Kevin has some amazing opportunities. I am starting my master's and I'm also starting a new travel assignment here in Newton, Massachusetts. It helps when you kind of see exactly what we're doing. So with it being New Year's Eve and having furniture delivered, the timing of availability was very difficult. So we did spend the first night here on our mattress topper, which was totally fine. It was a little like camping, but hey, it was worth waiting for the Cort delivery, which I've had in prior travel nursing contracts. Using Cort was very simple. I went to the website, I put in our zip code, and then from there I catered our package to what we needed. So because I am starting my master's, I am technically a student again, which was great because I got a student package and they had several different options. We did the basic furnishings, and as far as quality, we've always gotten really good quality. But this was the first time that I coordinated versus my company already having it furnished upon our arrival. So I checked out with everything that I thought that we needed, and then we set the delivery date. When they showed up to deliver our furniture, it was so smooth. It was great. And the building that we're currently in has an outer door, a little foyer, a locked door, and then a small set of stairs going down to our apartment. Our delivery gentlemen were efficient, they were kind, but they didn't chat too much to where it was awkward. They just got in and got the job done. Very professionally, I'm very happy with it. And for the package that we have, it's very cost efficient. That helps keep the expenses down when you're a travel nurse, so you get a little more bang for your buck. When they delivered the furniture, they actually put together the bed, they put together the table, they staged everything, and then did a final kind of wipe down, and it's really clean and quality furniture. So I'm impressed. We've had some really good experiences with Cort, and with this being the first experience of coordinating this from start to finish. I'll keep you guys updated when we go to move out, how the move out process is, but I'm pretty pleased. So I did mention I'm a student. I'm starting my master's in nursing education, which I already have my board certification in holistic health. I like to learn. And with getting my master's, this also opens us up to international travel. Kevin has his master's, and so if we were to be essentially a couple that travel the world with both our masters, there's just a lot of opportunity for teaching internationally. So it might be something in the next, I don't know, 2 to 5 years, who knows? But right now we are in Newton, Massachusetts. We are right outside of Boston. I think it's also important to mention that Living Whole, as much as we are doing this Living Whole life, it's still a part of Living Whole. Living Whole will continue to grow. I have not stopped. I have stopped taking clients. I am focusing more on the development of content creation that wraps itself even more around our lifestyle and our whole life. And I think with embracing YouTube and having a larger platform and kind of facilitating that growth with the incorporation of my husband in our whole life and this one right here, it allows a more broader picture and connection, and I'm really excited. So Living Whole is still here, it's still thriving and wonderful. I'm just not taking any more clients and doing nutritional consulting right at this moment because I have bigger goals. That's where we're at. I think that's it. Let's get back to this. My birthday. It's a pretty day. It's a great show. Fizz, did you pull him out of your carrier?
Oh, now it's recording.
I told you, I already hit it.
It said
and I
record.
asked, is it record? Did I not? What you got there? Got you some wood. What are you doing? Are you comfortable?